Say hi.
Say hi. This is your iPod? Who gave it to you? Your mom and dad. You like it? What else did you get?
I got DSi, clothes,
Don't you have the DSi already? What's the one you got?
the DS Lite,
Clothes and then
shoes,
shoes. What did Greg get you? Game.
Nintendo DS game,
The new one?
Style Savvy,
Let me see your what's the other one? The
DSi.
game. Yeah, let me see that. What'd you get? What'd you get?
You're gonna witness some murder.
Put your hands on my thing. You're hurting me. Stop. You're hurting me. Stop.